Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on AcuRite Atlas lightning detection sensor with wind extension. Description. Functions. Components. Wind assembly. AcuRite Atlas outdoor device. Extension base. Extension cord. Cord connector A. Cord connector B. Connection compartment. Connection compartment door. Rubber guard. Installation. Remove the wind assembly. Unplug the connectors. Open connection compartment door. Run cord connector A through connection compartment. Plug cord connector B into cord connector A. Slot for cord connector stability. Mount the extension base to pole. Run extension cord to outdoor device. Cord connector B. Rubber guard. Optional. Install battery. Troubleshooting. Specification. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.